What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at two cases that I just got in from Ranvoo. Now, I brought you some cases last week. This is, or actually about 2 weeks ago now. These are from Ranvoo also. This is the clear hard shell plastic, and this is their silver bumper that they have for the iPhone XS Max. This week for the iPhone XS Max, I'm going to show you these two cases. This one is a golden, and this one is a red hard shell. So let's get them open, let's check them out, see what they look like. But before we do that, be sure and subscribe to my channel. Be sure and give me that thumbs up so I can keep giving you great content every week. Now let's get started. So first one we're going to look at, now I want you to forgive me guys because my iPhone XS Max is out of commission right now, but this is a dummy model that I have, so we're just going to use this. Now I've tried these two on in a previous video. I'm going to go ahead and just get these two open just to show you what they look like. Get your standard packaging. Now this one is hard all the way around. You get that hard outer shell. This one is, let's get it open, package it to the side. Now this one is more of a rubberized plastic feel. Let's get the red one on first. Now it snaps on really nice. You get a nice recess for the camera. Case sticks out past the camera. Buttons nice and tactile, everything matches up, everything looks good. Down bottom, charging port and speakers are nice, everything looks good. It's a nice case, it's very slim, very sleek, and it's going to give you that extra layer of protection as well with it being hard. Now let's try on the next one. Now this one has a gold finish around the edges. Get the white, the gold on the edges. Your camera is also sitting down in a nice recess. It's not flush to the back. Tactile buttons. Buttons feel really good. Down bottom, speakers and charging port. Everything is a go. It looks good, and it actually complements the white. And I'm sure it look even better on that gold back for my iPhone XS Max. But these are the cases. This is the lineup from Ranvoo. They have this one that's the gold, the premium looking one. They have the hard shell. They come in different colors. You have the clear plastic backing. It's hard as well. And you actually get these bumpers. So a great group of cases from Ranvoo. I'm going to drop a link below so you can go and check these out. So until next time, these are the 4 cases that I've been letting you check out. Hope you guys are able to use these. Hope you're going to be able to check them out. Like I said, I'll leave a link below so you can go look these up. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.